Check out this new Chevy HD 2020 2500 HD Duramax. Just put the 7-9 SS McGaughys kit on it, and it's running some 37 1250 Toyo mud trains on a 20x10 hostile wheel, sitting at 7 inches. This is what you're going to be looking at for angles, steering geometry, all resembling factory. There's that SS kit, stainless steel inserts on a gloss black finish. And if you want to, maintain the tires somewhat sticking out of the fenders, this combo is going to be pretty nice. You can see there, it's very little poke. 20x10. If you wanted to tuck it a little bit more, you can go to 20x9. Also on this 37 1250. Just a clean look. You got the height out of it. You're not over stuffing the wheel well. Plus you're not looking like the tires are too small. Definitely filling the wheel well nicely. There you can see the backside of that SS kit. You got these strut bars, also with the SS stainless inserts. And there's torsion bar crossmember drop down brackets. In the rear you got a block, and also we have adjustable shim pack to fine-tune that ride height to get that perfect stance from front to back. But that's what you're looking at right there with the 7-9 kit out of the box. You can tow with it, bumper pull. If you got a fifth wheel or a gooseneck that's tall enough, you can also do that as well. This kit will handle it no problem. If you guys got any questions on where to purchase a kit or how much it is, we'd be happy to give you MSRP on it or make some suggestions on what dealers you can purchase from. Just shoot us a message, call us, or email us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.